All right, so today I'm here in my basement. A couple years back, I installed the APCO-X. This is a UV light treatment system for coils and air handlers and things like that. It's got a UV light in it and a carbon matrix. And this worked really well for the last couple years, keeping the air in the home clean. But today I'm actually going to show everyone how to take that out and switch it out for their newest product, which is the APCO-X Ultra. Now, the Ultra has 33% more surface area on the carbon matrix, and we've also got a clear indicator light where the whole face of the unit now is going to light up in a blue status to show you that the unit is working properly, and then it will go to a flashing blue if you have to replace your UV lamp, flashing red if your UV lamp has expired, and a solid red if your UV lamp has failed. So there's a lot more indication here for you so that you can simply walk by the unit and know what kind of status it's in. So I'm just going to move my camera here for a minute, and we're going to go ahead and get a little closer so everyone can see what's going on here. But this is absolutely amazing product. It's kept the air in the home clean. It's kept my coil clean. It's kept the pet smells and things like that out of the home. So I'm just going to get myself set up here where we can all see what's going on. And just bear with me while I move everything around here. So what we're looking at here is my supply air bonnet. I've got the APCO-X installed right above my air conditioner coil in the supply air bonnet, and we're just going to go ahead and take that out of there and switch it out for the APCO-X Ultra. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. I've already taken the wiring off of the APCO-X because the difference between the APCO-X that I'm using and the APCO-X Ultra that I'm going to be putting in here, this APCO-X that I'm taking out uses 120 volts. The APCO-X Ultra uses a 120 volt to 24 volt transformer. So the APCO-X Ultra itself is powered by 24 volts, whereas this APCO-X was powered by 120 volts. It's going to be interesting to see if there's any difference across a whole year on the power usage on the unit, but I suspect they've already done their management on that part. So we're just going to slide this out of here. One of the really nice things that Diversitech has done with the APCO-X Ultra is it is virtually the same dimensions, with the exception of the carbon matrix they have made a little wider. But the opening that you're going to have to cut is virtually the exact same. Now I just wanted to let everyone know that this APCO-X that I'm taking out of here is going to be donated to a local school, trade school, whether it be our college or our union school. But I'd like to get this donated so that the students there can experience putting one in and learn a little more about the values of UV light and carbon air filtration. So just give me a second here. I'm just going to set this one down. We're going to package that up later. All right. And I'm going to get my APCO-X Ultra out here. Now, I'm just going to show everyone here we have the same mounting plate for the APCO-X and the APCO-X Ultra. So what you have to do if you've never installed this before is you're going to take this template and you're going to make a few marks. Hold it up, make a few marks, draw your lines, take your tin snips, cut that out, and then you're going to just fold those tabs in and wrap them around the inside so that you get a nice tight seal there. Okay, then you want to take the 1/4-inch screws that they've sent you in the package and just screw that sheet metal down. You always want to make sure that you've got that gasket in behind it before you do it. Okay, they've also sent some really nice sticker here so you can put the sticker on the duct and show that the unit is installed. We're going to leave all that because I've got stickers and everything on my duct already from the APCO-X. So I'm going to make sure that those go in the package to go to the school. So what you get in here is you get the transformer and the lead to tie into the transformer. You get a couple morettes, you get the mounting bracket, the sticker, and the fasteners for the body to the duct. So I'm just going to open this up. And so now you can see that they're going to just slide this in here. We actually should take these off first. Let's open this up first. Forgive me for doing all this off of camera. I'm just going to hold this up here, hopefully where you guys can see it. We're just going to open that up. There's 4 little plastic fasteners, 1 in each corner. Now, my friend Aaron Engel is going to be showing this product at AHR this year. So if you're at the show, please stop by and see him at the Diversitech booth. I know he's got tons of exciting stuff to show everybody this year. And you'll be able to see the APCO-X Ultra there as well. Okay, so we got that mounted in there. Next, what we're going to do, we have to fasten that to the duct using the little fasteners that they've sent us. If I can get those out of here. Alrighty. I'm not going to open this other pack. I'm just going to use the fasteners that came from the other unit. Seems I'm having trouble finding one of them. Okay, that's okay. So we're going to just mount this in here. Now you have to tie it to the, fasten it to the duct first. So there's 4 little fasteners inside here. And they're just little thumb screws, really easy to do. Okay. There. we've got that. That's tied in. All right. Now I need to put the bulb. We've got the bulb here. Got one of these little fasteners to put in. Now, unfortunately, they have not made this one easy, but we're gonna get it. Because if the Dawn can't do it, no one can. Let's see. There we go. All right, so we've got that secured in there. Just want to make sure they're all nice and tight, compressing that gasket so we got no air leaks. No air leaks, okay. Now I'm just gonna grab this bulb. Now, for those of you who have an APCO-X already or are looking to get one, the UV lamp actually lasts up to 3 years. And the APCO-X Ultra will, of course, give you an indication of when that time is running out. The part is a TUVL 315. You can go to your parts supply house to get a cost on that. But this is what the bulb looks like, okay? And you don't want to touch that with your hands. You can touch the base here, this gray base on it, but don't touch the bulb itself, all right? These are very fragile and they can be damaged by the oils on your skin. So we're just gonna slide that in there, and it's just gonna sit on these two little screws here. And I'm just gonna let that go for a second while I grab my fasteners. Okay. Now we're gonna fasten that in again with these little thumb screws. All right. There's one. There's the second one. So now it says here you could actually set your lamp life with the lamp timer. It says 1 year UV lamp press once, 2 year UV lamp press twice, or the 3 year UV lamp press 3 times. Always use timer reset button when a new UV lamp is installed. So we're gonna have to go into the manual and just double check that. Now what you do is there's a little notch here in this plug, and there's a little notch on the bulb itself. You just want to get those lined up. We're gonna get those lined up, and we're just gonna plug that puppy in. All right. So now we have the wire. We're going to take this wire. Yeah. We're going to plug into the bottom of the unit, right there. And now in my case, we're just going to tie in to that 24-volt transformer right beneath the unit. So I'm just going to tuck that in there just for now. I'm going to get the cover put on here. We're going to close that up. All right. Alrighty. 2 more to go. One more. And there we go. Okay. So, it's going to be pretty easy now. We're just going to take these. We'll tie those together. All right. This one. Tie this in. All right. Now I'll get that all cleaned up later. Just gonna tuck that in for now for the sake of this video, but we're gonna get that tied in later properly. All right, so that's about it. The APCO-X Ultra is now installed. We've got the bulb installed, and we're gonna turn the power on. I'm just gonna take you around to the other side here. So I'm gonna turn my power on here now. And there you go. It's a thing of beauty when you can walk past an appliance and know its condition. Great job on behalf of the DiversaTech team. Big thank you to Aaron Engel for making sure that I got one of these in my hands in a timely fashion. I absolutely love what you guys are doing for air quality out there and for making our jobs in the field easier. All right, this is going to make our customers' lives better. It's going to make their homes healthier, and it's going to make providing them maintenance and service a lot easier. So I just want to send a huge shout out to everybody at DiversaTech. And I wish you all the best time at AHR. And that's about it. We will see you again. All right. Take care.